Yo, what is up everybody? It's your man MKBHD here and the rumor mill is churning. This time it's spitting out hot goss about the iPhone 17 Air. Leaks are coming in hot and heavy, and let me tell you, this phone is shaping up to be something special, especially if you're obsessed with thinness. Like, really obsessed. I'm talking thinner than my patience during an Apple event keynote. From what we're hearing, it's gonna be somewhere between 5.44 millimeters and 6.25 millimeters. To put that into perspective, that's thinner than some slices of cheese I've seen and eaten. Of course, the camera bump exists. Gotta house those lenses somehow. But still, this is crazy thin. Now, you might be thinking, MKBHD, why so thin? What's the point? Look, I don't have all the answers, but here's my take. Apple loves pushing boundaries. They're obsessed with making tech feel magical, and part of that is achieving the seemingly impossible. A phone this thin? That's basically magic, right? Plus, a thinner phone means more room in your pocket for other essentials, like your AirPods Max or maybe a whole other phone. Don't judge. Jokes aside, the design looks super sleek in the leaked renders. We're seeing that single lens camera, which apparently is a beast despite its solo act. More on that later. The display is rumored to be a 6.5-inch to 6.7-inch OLED panel with super sharp resolution and a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. And get this, rumors are swirling about a new, super durable glass. We're talking diamond-level scratch resistance, maybe even shatterproof. Okay, maybe not shatterproof, but you get the idea, tough phone. Under the hood, we're expecting Apple's A19 chip, which will probably melt faces with its speed. Battery life is a bit of a question mark, but Apple's usually pretty good at optimizing that stuff. Now, for the big question, is this thing gonna bend like a banana in your back pocket? Look, I'm not gonna lie, the thinness does make me a little nervous. But Apple's usually pretty good about engineering the heck out of their devices. And hey, if it means a thinner phone, maybe I'll finally invest in cargo pants. Who knows? That's it for the iPhone 17 Air leaks, folks. What do you think about this ultra-thin marvel? Hit me up in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.